Want to win $250? Obviously. Well, I'm giving it away in this video. Oh my god. Hey everyone, it's Adrienne and welcome to another episode of Tech Tip Tuesday, an all new show where I give you guys a tip about tech every single Tuesday. But today's episode is not really me giving you guys a tip, it's more like me giving you money. Well, that's part of it. I'm doing a giveaway. But also I'm gonna show you guys 7 of the weirdest and also most helpful iPhone accessories that I just purchased while scouring the internet for Black Friday deals. I'm excited to haul them for you, show you them. They're really cool. You're gonna wanna stick till the end. But Adrienne, how do we win the money? How do we win $250? I'm gonna tell you right now. So I teamed up with Arrive to give you guys 2 chances, so 2 people will get to win $250 gift cards, and entering is so simple. All you're gonna do is click the link down below in my description box, which will take you to a page where you can download the Arrive app. All you have to do is download that app, have an account set up, and then you can be entered for a chance to win. So Arrive is an app that was created by Shopify, and basically they created this app to make tracking your deliveries a lot easier, so it is perfect to have just in time for the holidays. It basically goes through your email that you set it up with, and it'll find tracking numbers of items that you've ordered that have shipped, and then basically on the Arrive app interface, you'll be able to track and look at each one of those packages, where they are. You'll get notifications in real time. You can track them all in one app and not like all over the place with all your different tracking numbers. And with the holidays coming up, like obviously you're gonna be ordering a ton of stuff. I know for this video and for some Black Friday videos, I've ordered a ton of stuff, so it's just really helpful to see it all in one place. The winners will be announced for the giveaway via email on December 1st, so you will be contacted. Unfortunately, this giveaway is only for iOS users and you must be in North America. I'm so sorry to everyone who isn't, but I'll be doing more giveaways, so don't you even worry. So without further ado, you guys, let's haul these weird iPhone accessories that I ordered. I'm gonna show you guys all of them. I will link them all down below if you guys wanna get them yourselves. They were all relatively inexpensive, so that's been awesome. So the first product I got is from Terminator, a company called Terminator. It is a powerful stun gun. Now you're probably asking me, what does this have anything to do with iPhones? Well, let me show you. Oh my gosh, is that an iPhone 4? Why no, it's not. It's actually a stun gun. It looks like an iPhone, but it's a taser. So if you're being attacked or something and you need to tase someone, you can whip this out. They won't know it's a taser. It just looks like a phone and you can tase them. So we're just gonna see what this does. So we flip the little switch on the bottom and then I think you just, oh my god, that scares me. Okay, that is no joke. I'm actually terrified. I better not accidentally push that. Pretty legit, right? So, okay, that's item number 1, a iPhone looking taser. Item number 2 is from a company called Binocktails, and basically it is a portable charger for your iPhone. Just kidding, no it's not. If you take the top off, it's actually a flask. Yes, I will admit this is a little bit funny that I've actually used this before. I just ordered one, but I used one of my friends before when I went to a music festival to sneak in some, how you say, liquids. So basically it just looks like a charger. You can even stick a cord in here, wrap it around, just put it in your bag. People will think it's a portable charger, and it's not, it's a flask. I think that's so funny. It even has this little light on the top. I mean, I'm not condoning that, but also I'm condoning it. Next, from a company called Apexel, we have this 7-piece lens kit for your iPhone camera. So basically it comes with a little mini tripod that you can like stick your phone in here. These different lenses for your iPhone camera. So look at this little telephoto lens. Like, how cute is that? It comes with a fisheye lens, this telephoto lens, wide lens, and a macro lens. So we're just gonna pop these on there and see what it looks like. Let's start with the telephoto lens. So we're just gonna clamp this on right here. If you point it at something kind of far away, and you can even focus it. Really hard to keep steady, but like, look at that. If we take it off, that's actually how far I am away from that. And then that's how close it got. That's pretty cool. Next, we're gonna try the wide angle lens. Okay, so, oh, I guess you can zoom in. I was gonna say it has kind of this black rim around it, but if you zoom in just a little, it gets rid of that. So let's just take a picture of that part of my room. And then let's take it off. Oh, okay. That's normal. And that's the wide angle. Okay, that's actually really cool. It actually creates a way wider angle. Then if we take this one off, we will have the macro lens. So a macro lens zooms in. Basically, it's able to focus really close up. Actually, let's try putting it on the front camera. Oh my gosh. Ah, that looks really scary. Oh my God. It looks, I don't even like that. That's just way too close. Ah, okay, so just for reference, if I went like that close normally, this is what it would look like, super out of focus. Oh my God, that's really creepy, but really cool. All right, sorry, I seem to be having some technical difficulties getting this macro lens off this little plastic thing, but I guess that's what happens when you order something that's kind of cheap. So I'm just gonna show you by holding this one up. This is the fisheye lens. So we're just gonna hold it up to the camera for now. Whoa, okay, so that's what the fisheye looks like. Look at that, that's so cool. I took this one earlier. That's really cool. So, okay, I'm a big fan of that, honestly. They even have cute little lens like covers. Oh, it's so cute. Okay, the next thing I got is from a company called Backtrack, and it is actually a mini breathalyzer. So when I ordered this, I thought that it was one of the kind that you can like stick into your phone in the bottom and breathe through there and like see it on an app, but I accidentally ordered the wrong one. They do have those out there. I still thought it would be really funny, and there's like a little keychain, so you could maybe like attach it to your phone case if you really wanted to. So you turn it on, and then it counts down from 26. You just go, and then you can always tell how drunk you are. Really cool. Okay, the next gadget I think is so cool. It's not weird at all, really. It's just honestly cool. It's called the HP Sprocket. It's like a mini little printer, so you can print photos from your iPhone. Basically, you just download an app, and I got my little Sprocket, and I just connected these two via Bluetooth. Oh my God, should I print the really creepy picture of my eye? Now it's on, because the light is turning on. Okay, so then I'm just gonna push this print button in the middle. Something's happening. Oh, that's the little tester thing. That was super anticlimactic. I was like, why is it blue? How does it even, where does the ink come from? Is it even using ink, or is it just like, that's cool. From my phone to paper. That's amazing. Next, I have this really cool USB charging station. So if you're like me and you have a bunch of different things that you need to charge at night, you can use this. You plug this in, and then you plug this part into a wall. You take these little slit thingies, put these in the little slit hole things. Then you stick in these. So it comes with all of these things. Some of them are like those iPhone charging cables. We have a USB-C and we have a micro USB. That's perfect because that's like all I ever really want to charge anyway. So we'll just stick in an iPhone 1, and apparently they all charge like at pretty fast speeds. And then you would just stick it like so. And then I would do it again for my iPad and again for my battery case, even my computer. Phone, battery case, and iPad. And you can just put it on your desk or on your nightstand and just have everything all nice and in order. That is so great. Doesn't it look cool? And last but not least, I got from ZVE Proof this rose gold / pink phone, tablet, and watch stand. You basically put this down on a surface. It's either for your phone or your tablet. And then you can put a watch right here. That's pretty cool. You can just have it there to charge your stuff. You can have the chargers go through there, or you can actually just like use it to prop it up if you're like watching a movie or trying to do work on here, like you know, yeah, cool. All right, you guys, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this Tech Tip Tuesday, and I hope that you enter my giveaway. Remember, click the link down below. You can win $250. Can't wait. And if you guys want to order any of the things that I just showed you, click the link down below. I can't wait for lots more videos. I hope you guys have an amazing Thanksgiving. I can't believe it's already in 2 days. What? And I'll see you in my next video. Love you so much. Subscribe. Give it a thumbs up. Bye.